ezi onye nwe anyị na Chineke nna nke pụrụ m ihe niile Chukwu okike abịa ma bụ onye anyị na-efe na-agọzi aha nsọ ya onye ọbụla naanị ya na-achị onye mmụọ na mmadụ na-erubere isi onye ọbụla naanị ya bụ ọkaka ụbọchị ene ka anyị na-etuga eze ebube dị ngọzi mmalite na ọgwụgwụ ndị gboo wee tụọ oge ebighị ebi onye nwe m ụmụ gị wee gbakọọ n'ụwa niile iwe nara ozi ọma nke gị onwe gị n'ezi ha site n'ọnụ mmadụ dị ndụ na nke ebere dị ngọzi anyị wee na-asị na onweghị ihe ọbụla nke anyị onwe anyị bụ n'ihi na ọ bụ anụkpa ahụ sọsọ ka mmadụ dị ndụ bụ ofu ụbọchị anyị ga-anwụ maka na okwu nsọ gị na-adịrị ma ruo mgbe ebighị ebi n'ihi na okwu gị niile ga-abịarịrị na mmezu ọbịa nwere Biafra ga-eji wee bịa na mgbe nke anyị wee na-akpọkọ uwe na-arịọ gị na-asị lekwa ude nke anyị na-asụ n'akwa nke anyị na-ebe ka o metụta gị n'obi onye nwe m na Chineke nna nke igwe biko dịka isi wee napụta ụmụ gị n'ọbụ n'Ijipt gotu wee wezuga ụmụ gị bụ ndị Biafra mgbe ekwensu bụ zuu nke mmadụ dị ndụ kere anyị wee na-aja gị mma na-asị gị n'ime ọnọdụ anyị na anyị ga-ekele ha nsọ gị wee nye gị nsọpụrụ ụtọ na ịja mma mgbe niile n'ihi na anyị enweghị chi ọzọ ewezuga gị anyị onwe anyị anaghị efe arụsị ọbịa mere iji wee na-agọzi nsọmụkwụ anyị niile ọbịa mere IPOB ji wee gbaa mgbọrọgwụ n'ụwa niile anyị anaghị atụ egwu mmadụ dị ndụ anyị wee na-eto gị eze ebube dị ngọzi sị gị biko gbatara anyị ọsọ enyemaka ọ bụ naanị gị bụ onye anyị dịfe nwanyị akpụ isi ala nye ka i wee napụta ndị gị n'ọbụ nke ekwensu anyị wee na-enye gị ofe na nsọpụrụ na ịja mma na-asị lekwa ka ndị iro anyị niile ka kasị wee baa ha ọnụ ha wee daa hapụ ikonye ọzọ obodo ekwensu bụ zu ala nwekwa n'ihi eze ebube dị ngọzi anya ọnwa anyị bụ ụmụ gị wee na-akpọkọ ha nsọ gị na-asị na enweghị chi ọzọ egwezuga gị anyị wee na-aja gị mma wee na-eto gị na-asị onye kere ihe niile kere eke mana nwere onye kere na n'otuto niile na nsọpụrụ niile na ịja mma niile site n'ebighị mara onye bi ka a na-arịọ gị ise.
Guys, what people are saying now is that they just carried, what they now do is they have been arresting people, you understand, picking people, just people who are walking on the street, they will pick them up. And then some people, they just carry their goods and then they will have to come and build their goods. One of the women there, that's why people have gathered. You could see people gathering here because the woman goods was carried and then they picked her as well as some other people who had come to buy and sell in Onitsha markets. This
Head bridge blocked. Onitsha to Asaba blocked. No way in, no way out. Onitsha to Asaba blocked. No way in, no way out. Stand still. Stand still.
Igbo people, ekele m unu ọlọlọ Nneka Chimezie na-ekwu anyị na-ewetara unu ọnọdụ Igbo. Biko onye m na-ejikarị ozi ahụ Dr. Ngozi Oragbueze, Prime Minister, Biafran Government in Exile. Na asị na asọkata eze anya ekpuru ekete gwa ya okwu. Achọrọ m ịma ihe your followers ga-eme na adọka mana anya we are no longer fools. And ama m ọ ga-elogide lobie clean ahụ ụnụ na ihe agwọtọkọ n'ala Igbo. Because I mana Nnamdi Kanu nọ na nga today wo broadcast Simon Ekpa most of ihe broadcast ga nke anyị nụrụ akpọ ya IPOP maka eme ụnụ bịabịa ripi ga na ahụ Nnamdi Kanu were ya na-ekwu okwu then ụnụ kwuzie chee na IPOP Elizabeth any statement na this protest a na-eme.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, men and women of goodwill. My name again still remains Onyebuchi Nwashibrobi, known as the Gracia or the Sea of the Sea. Nandi bayo na anogonu ihe nwanyi mkpụrụ mmiri a na-akọ. Unu anogonu ha report. And ihe ọ na-agwọ tọkarị. Before I allow her to continue speaking, all the confused ama achi na overdose mkpụrụ mmiri. Ihe ndị DOS na-agwọ tọkarị aṅụ. Ọ dị ka ha onye koina ya ụmụ nonsense a. First, I want to correct something. This woman said she wants to send message to Ngozi Oragbueze, the Prime Minister of Biafra Republic Government in Exile. Confusion. Ngozi Oragbueze said that she is deputy, not Prime Minister. And she said that they made a mention that they said don't leave the street. The person that said it is OgeNkere, not Ngozi. This is number one confusion. Amaham Now she said the reason why they jailed Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is because of Mazen Simon Ekpa's program. That IPOB. Mazen Simon Ekpa never mentioned IPOB. And what the judge Mazen Nnamdi Kanu There is nowhere they said, oh, you sent Mazi Simon Ekpa. Nowhere. Nowhere. They said you sent Mazi Simon Ekpa because Mazi Simon Ekpa made it explicit clear. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did not send me. He did not contract me to do this. I am doing it in my own voluntary way. But this woman is lying to you people that the reason why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in jail is because of what Mazi Simon Ekpa did, which is a typical lie. And on the same place where condemn where let me play it so that you people will know and judge from your own end. Please, let me play. Let her continue her rubbish.
Your secret, I think Kitana Kobia do mania because what them no na do mania na Hane Jumaya they don't make noise. Manono Potahane me here now no Potono make a statement. Where now wouldn't buy again followers. A Potano one now make a statement. Support all in your name, which is good. Man another statement when you could be a directive to the Aya. So I have stop protest. You want that right. I won't give you watch a man in the main market. You watch a man in the main he gave me we can add your voice to those on a Kuriku and not give directive. Let him now game. In her directive never to stop.
So from what she said here, if you join it from what she have said, she said that Mazi Simon Mazi Simon Ekpa is rapaiga na IPOB. On a Jinwayo, you have an IPOB name, Yana Sana have IPOB. Mazi Simon Ekpa never said he is the leader of IPOB, number one. And she condemned herself again, saying that, oh, Nayoma de Mazi Simon Ekpa is not a member of IPOB. Nayo think all day member. Do you know when they were judging Mazi Simon Ekpa? He denied of being a member of IPOB. Actually, of only IPOB, yes or no. So we were laughing at him as if he denied IPOB, but we never knew that he was saying the truth. So who is confusing here? Lolo Nneka Chimezie is the confusing person here. You told us that no here and as an IPOB. In the same way, you told us again that after convict, are you a member of IPOB or say no? So who is deceiving himself here? You are the person. Because there is no time Mazi Simon Ekpa said, I am a member of IPOB. No time. There is no time Mazi Simon Ekpa said, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu send me. No time. But you have learned to confuse yourself the more. You have learned to denigrate yourself that you think does not mean anything. So you think you want to prosecute a man by your own thinking. And again, he said, no, the IPOB potanaro, Mazi Simon Ekpa may take glory. Kambagi, all of us are IPOB members. Nobody. Here the criminals in DOS. I was in the States when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped. Then Mazi Simon Ekpa started asking questions. I was secretary, third in command, the Dragon Squad then. Then when the DOS reached a final conclusion of hook-winging Mazi Simon Ekpa, did you know what they do? Every Monday sit at home, they will give directive, Gamenka. Let them be blaming Mazi Simon Ekpa. Gamenka. Let them be blaming Mazi Simon Ekpa. And sometimes they use the blood of our own people. Now about the game. So that we will blame Mazi Simon Ekpa. So what do they want to achieve? They want to bring down the person of Mazi Simon Ekpa. I was in the state when all the order was coming. Nobody should deceive you. IPOB now, go and forge the mother. So that they will blame Mazi Simon Ekpa. That is the thing that Hanaro. There is no anywhere Hanaro anything. When a developmental. I was there. Nobody should deceive you. I was there. And let nobody deceive you. No when anything over a DOS Omega in order to achieve freedom for you. what they did was to hook wing Master Simon Ekpa. Like some of you never knew. I used to say it, but I would want to say it here. When I was in the States, then after the kidnapping of Mazen Nneka, the DOS were part and parcel of those enforcing the sit at home. But they enforce it in a more brutal way. Like the way Iga Apwe Boom Mother. Can we blame Master Simon Ekpa? I said, no, him as Simon Ekpa name. Apwa damage ya hand mother. Can we blame Master Simon Ekpa? I said, no, him as Simon Ekpa name. I was in the state when that order was coming from this criminal China Samoshi. I was there. Let nobody deceive you people. I was there. Let us keep on listening to her rubbish, please.
Very soon now, Ndojo Anonolugi, Habwebe. Okay? Habwebe. Bidobawa. Before I'm in a mobile, I got government in exile. IPOP Kaga, but all packages 10 no IPOP here and there. Because in him now you saw Biafran government in exile.
Okay, she said that very soon now, I stand on the hand IPOB. And she's confused on the person that she's sending message to. Because message here yiring kendara. Oh, you know the message OgeNkere send in the morning. One, she's calling Ngozi Oragbueze. Ngozi Oragbueze is of USB. Ndinkenere charger. Na pencil. Then, the person that made that statement is OgeNkere. And OgeNkere is not the leader of Biafra Republic government in exile. Because I went to the official website, and in that official website, it is stated clear there that we have expelled OgeNkere. So OgeNkere is the he have his own group. And the person that made the statement, Biafrans, do not move out of the streets. Stay on the streets until your goals are achieved, is the one called OgeNkere, Isaiah Anyogo. Calling him OgeNkere is a fake identity. His name is Isaiah Anyogo. He is the person who made that statement. Now, you are there warning Ngozi Oragbueze of United States of Mkpurumiri because it's not Biafra. United States of Mkpurumiri. Ngozi Oragbueze never made that particular statement. The person who made it was OgeNkere. And you are now at the same time saying, you said that you are a member of Brigi. Brigi, Ngozi Oragbueze is not a member of Brigi anymore. She is a member of USB. You cannot be a two members group. A member of USB. OgeNkere, I never know OgeNkere's real group. They have to come up with group because even in real website, they put it there that they have expelled OgeNkere. I saw that this very morning. When I went to that website, I saw it there explicitly that OgeNkere have been expelled. And you need to get your details. Get your details before you come out with propaganda. And the OS will be calling you, oh, come and make our image. Everything that they did was intact. I am a living witness to what they did. I am a living witness to how they buy the people. I am a living witness. All this image making, when I was in state, were they not giving order? Do they not say even one of the brutal things in Damene is not for internet and how they buy our own people? Luckily, I have some of the people that they buy their names intact with me. I have their names intact with me. Some of our youth that have been, that they sent to Obodo Afudebe, And you are, oh, DOS, show me, Lolo, Aquamico, show me what the DOS did. And I will tell you what they did. You never blame Master Simon. Oh, you go there, you buy. It was DOS handwork. I was in the state when they were giving the order. And I asked why. They said, let them be blaming Master Simon. I said, no. This is evil against our own people. Now, you want to buy our own people for the blame to be on Master Simon. What sort of rubbish is that? I am a living witness. And none of you should sell bad market to us. I am a living witness. My state CSO, Kingsley Anyebunam of Onyobosi. The place Kezi here, Sapele Nagana. Go and ask Kingsley Anyebununu. Anyebununu. What was the order that they were giving him? Very, very evil and divisive against our own people. Oh, maybe share yobu. Make a show now. Even the Ebendi Madana Hono, Tiano, the Simon, this and that. Oh, where are you, Madison and the against our own people? Just to blame Master Simon, and these very people are suffering it. I was there. And that is the reason why I blame Kanun Tano, the rest of them. They killed and killed. Imagine a man that somebody, his wife gave birth. The first issue called Emmanuel. Hallelujah, Emmanuel. Pata, kidnap Emmanuel. Buoya. That one was, I was not there. I received the information because it happened. Kanun Takano knew of it. Or should I talk about many people? Should I talk about the people that I witnessed that they killed? When I went to sick leave, I came back. What about this person died? What about this person died? What about this person died? I said, what is happening in this state? And it was Onyisi, Nka, Ntiebura Kanishi. Is it how everybody is gone? DOS brought death to our own people. When Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is talking about DOS are the brainchild of this very struggle, he doesn't mean the criminals in the DOS. Hear me and hear me clearly. He have his own appointment. Not Chinas Amoshi, not Chike Doziono, not on the Chorin and the Bayo Tapia, not on the Nona or Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Did they not insult Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Did they not discuss about sacking Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Why are you using the same Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to make your image? Because your people doesn't have any image. I am Washiburobi, and let nobody bring rubbish, please. I will date ya like one ya no na call rubbish. Ona guara toroya. Na mo patanako. Let her go and know. I was number 3 man in the state. Dragon Squad. Number 3. Each first person, second person, no OgeNkere. I know a lot. They made money. The same money that they were telling us, oh, my state CSO will come to that meeting that time and tell us that he was in division. State. And he said it is only those who are loyal to him that will share from the money. After the kidnapping of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, he came and said the money have arrived. And those who is loyal to him will share from the money. The money have arrived from which place? The money have arrived. Who gave you the money? And you people are talking rubbish. Are they not the DOS and Ekuokuya? One year potana guara torena kwajablata. Mazi Simon and deceive the mother DOS and Ana Conaro. I'm here now. When you talk about struggle, this very struggle, you talk about volunteers. Volunteers are the power engine house of this very struggle. Anything that volunteers doesn't know, nobody. Administrative doesn't know anything. They don't know anything. Call it a state commander. Information. Brief our own people. They don't know anything. The engine house and the powerhouse is in volunteer. And I knew what happened, what transpired. Now the AS by the side. Command Naval command the but I Simon implicates. And I said, at the end of the day, the end people that will be suffering all these things in order to bring Master Simon Ekpa down. So you want to commit atrocities so that people will blame it on Master Simon Ekpa. The people that will suffer it is our own people, innocent people, that you are using their blood to play game. I said no to it. Is that not the nonsense this woman is coming out to tell you people? When you see evil people, these evil people have punk. Evil people place punk on their head. Lolo ibi Chimezie. Image makers. Okay, the DOS are at the back giving command. But when it comes to giving command to buy our own people, to buy those following Master Simon Ekpa, they wouldn't be at the back, they will be at the front. Should I say a lot of commanders that left this very struggle and they were serving with a bubag? The DOS never oppose it. You see that you work against a bubag. I know too many commanders that left this very struggle and followed the bubag, which DOS never opposed them. And you are here talking rubbish. Chineke Bogoku. You Ngozi Oragbueze of USB. Brigi. Confusing herself. Confusing herself. Kaigano from her, Jari.
No, na exile. Me organize government na exile. Ija ha no eme government na exile. Then any order na southeast. A lot of people want na southeast. Ndai pop protest sit at home Monday. All Simon Ekpa bia no kata saw for 14 days. Ono kata saw 1 week. Ndai pop neti. Anete so ko na da na ngareta. Enwoto ya manke na emen. Because investigation on go say na Simon Ekpa self your leader. How they a member of IPOP? Mba na ekpe ikpe. Aljo ya say am a member of IPOP. Yes no. Media ebo ya na church no deny ya la IPOP. Pe some church chair no deny ya la IPOP. Amaham na wa amade how they a member of IPOP. He never.
Okay. Najuri, are you a member of IPOP or no? Which he have forever emphasized that I'm not a member of IPOB. Mazen Namdekano did not send me. But I am doing this out of my own voluntary will. Isochachi Mbaha. Nema a member of IPOB, but you know deny an IPOB. Then what does Master Simon Ekpa have to do that with your own stupidity? That you are stupid and you confess that you are stupid. You don't know anything and you claim that you know. You were laughing over something that you don't know. And now you have realized that you are stupid. You are now blaming Master Simon Ekpa. Is Master Simon Ekpa that sent you to be stupid? These are the honest questions that you people should ask this Okoko. Now, let me tell you people, because most of you are here, you don't know anything that is happening. Go to the confession of Omoyere Sowore that they told Mazen Nneka if they release you now, form a political party. Go to China Sanworu and check the same thing. Mazen China Sanworu said that we cannot get Biafra if we do not go into politics and form a political party. Chinas Angoru said it. The same thing that they are forcing Mazen Nneka, and he said no. So the criminals in DOS have equally accepted it. And now they want to deceive our own people. I want all of you to know that the DOS is the DOS of Nigeria, IPOB Nigeria. What have they done? What have they been able to do since I've go 5 years now? Apatana iklen makatona Mazi Simon Ekpa, but Almighty God will shock you people. You will be here one day and see Mazi Simon Ekpa around. Nigeria is entering into agreement with Turkey. Many of you are keeping quiet, but you don't know what that means. It means that if you stand up to defend yourself now, Turkey will be there. There will be Nigeria mercenaries because they have signed an agreement, a defense agreement. Is that you people don't know anything, and I am letting you people to know. Talking rubbish. Sabon tike ojuru na everywhere. Sabo. Unara hora sabu nekuli sabo. Na ichechiachi chenodi na yana IPOB. Okay, it's church we notice no deny. He is fighting the Nigerian who prosecuted Mazi Simon Ekpa in Finland, Nigerian government. Who we are witness against Mazi Simon Ekpa, IPOB, I mean DOS criminals, not IPOB, because IPOB means indigenous people of Biafra. All of us are IPOB. And IPOB is not evil. But the criminals in DOS who sold Onyendu for peanuts, talking rubbish, send that one punk or bieba and rubbish. Anybody that can confront Nigerian army to tell them, oh, this and that, is a Nigerian agent. Because if you are truthful, the Nigerian army will shoot you. Nigeria cannot go bring money, go and kidnap Mazi Nneka in Kenya, and you come and tell us, oh, you confronted the Nigerian army, and you told them this, and you told them that. I told you people, now go to the video that I made. No, I told you people, Potago. And this is the truth. I am Onyebuchinwashi Brobi, please. Continue listening.
Ekpa reported with Radio Biafra, I'm not sure. No one just no hijack ya, take advantage of where room name a charming gawa deep. Would I be on a ya nyoda? Even when we was able to more tank. Hey, I check when
have you people seen? Mazi Simon Ekpa na yo butere ammo the tank. Now, the people that tweeted that, the people that did design the screenshots, that thing never appeared in Mazi Simon Ekpa's tweet. It did not appear. The people that designed it, because IPOB, DOS then, we are using propaganda against Mazi Simon Ekpa, they will go and design a tweet and then say, it is Mazi Simon Ekpa that just tweeted it and deleted it. Because they bring propaganda. Once you go to Mazi Simon Ekpa's Twitter, it's not there. They went and tweeted that they have bought a plane, they have bought this thing. And Mazi Simon Ekpa did not make such tweets. And they were sharing it among themselves. They said he deleted it. When they made the plane, he deleted it. When they posted worship, he deleted it. Because all those things doesn't appear in Mazi Simon Ekpa's platform. And if Mazi Simon Ekpa made such a tweet, it will appear in what they are going to prosecute Mazi Simon Ekpa in Finland. But let them stand strong, because Mazi Simon Ekpa is coming with full force. I can see the lion coming back with full force. Don't shake. Now, who gonna propaganda finish it agora? Kawanya buko webia. Now, nkabara yara mgbe Mazi Simon Ekpa so na yo butego ammo the tank. A bell. This is one of the reasons why they told you people, don't listen to me, because much propaganda, they are going to bring much propaganda. They are working in unison. If you go and listen to the Oluku, this Oluku Oro Onweya Ejiofo, talking that rubbish, saying it came from Mazen Namdekan. If you go and listen to that Ejiofo, you will understand the propaganda. Why must they be playing against Mazen Simon Ekpa, but they are thanking all those too numerous Biafra groups? And there is no numerous Biafra group anywhere. The only people that is there is the USB, Brigi, and the CRC, which all of them are brainchild of Mazi Simon Ekpa. So it means that they impose some people against Mazi Simon Ekpa to hijack him and run propaganda against him. Character assassination against Mazi Simon Ekpa. I am asking all of you, listening from this Aboro, anya na ade ya ka ma mo na nguku anwuru before potara. Na korobish with the paint ogbara nda na eme paint na galon le ihe nwanye ahiere n'onu. So you don't see any problem in you here n'onu. No coach we dress am I go na Aboro up iwe ka. Potana new no rubbish. Talking rubbish. Biafra will come. It doesn't matter your lies and deceits. It doesn't matter your image to lure our own people back to Nigeria. The people that confess before me and you, Nandi ESN, there are people volunteer themselves in your handy governor for payment. And you want me to listen to such group of criminals? I am and most of them must tell us that money kidnap where did the money come from? They must confess to us where that money come from, because my state CSO said, my state CSO is number one right-hand man of Chinas Amoshi. He said that the money have arrived and it is only those who are loyal to him that will share from the money. And then they started stopping men only to commit crime against in order to label it as Simon Ekpa. Let me forget. Me lavanu mi sagusiwo. Bebe Chimezie. Nneka Chimezie. Imana nwanyị na come to Father anyị ọ bụ ihe m hụrụ ka ị na-ekwu.